Greetings all of you. So here you can see that the simulation of the open channel flow free surface is completed now, and here are the animation videos. You can see that here is the animation video 1. I am going to play this so you can see. So these are the results I obtained after the simulation. The velocity contours. Here is the graph, and you can see that you can see the wave is generating. Like in this animation you can see the generation of waves in the ANSYS. Here is the velocity magnitude changing, and here is the waves are generating. So in this animation you can easily see the generation of waves. These are the velocity contours, this is the graph, these are the iterations, this is another velocity contour. Now I am going to play the animation, third animation. So look, here is the third animation. You can see the wave is generating and moving towards this end. So look at this contour. Similarly, we can also see this contour. And this one. The wave is generating from this end and traveling towards this end. We can easily see the generation of wave.